here, and I recently purchased the USB-C hub Ethernet multi-port adapter. I bought a new MacBook at the beginning of the year, and I didn't know that it didn't have a USB port. So I work from home, and I went to plug something into the USB, and boom, didn't have it. So I jumped on and purchased this adapter, and it has been a great accessory. This is an 8-in-1 USB-C hub, and so you can put a microSD card, a regular SD card. It's got 3 USB ports and an HDMI port, as well as an LAN and data transfer. So here you can see it's got a blue light, so I know that it's plugged in and it's ready to go. If I have something that has a USB that I need to plug in, I plug it in, and we should hear a beep. That's my USB tool that I'm plugging in, and so I heard the beep. I know that it's connected and I am ready to get back to work. So if you are looking for a multi-port adapter, definitely might consider looking into this one. I hope you found the review helpful.